Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be solving problems on valuation of supply, which is related with a determination of the transaction value and ascertainment of GST payable. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it and share. If you have any comments about the video, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. This is a problem on finding out final price of product. The question is like this. Ranganath, let me stretch this here. Trader is offering his customer 5% discount on purchase of 6 iPhones. Price of each iPhone is rupees 42,000. Mr. Ram purchased 6 iPhones. Trader charged 18% GST on sale of iPhones. Calculate the final price of iPhones. So this is a very simple question here. So here the price of the iPhone is rupees 42,000 per iPhone. So 6 iPhones are purchased here, and the trader allows a 5% discount here. So now let's find out here. So solution: ascertainment of final price of iPhones. Let me insert here 3 columns. Very simple problem here. Rupees. So sale of iPhones. So 6 iPhones multiplied by rupees 42,000 each. So that will get rupees 6 to the 12, so 2,52,000. So from this we should deduct less exclusions. So discount, that is 5% off rupees 2,52,000. Either it can be taken per iPhone and then later on it can be converted for 6 iPhones, or we can take 2,52,000 only. So that rupees 12,600. So 12,600. The difference here is, we are going to get rupees 2,39,400. To this we should add CGST. So here the GST rate is 18%, so there will be equal rate of CGST and SGST. So 9% of rupees 2,39,400, which comes to rupees 21,546. Then similarly SGST, that is 9% off. So always whatever is the rate given GST, so that should be equally divided here. So rupees 2,39,400. That will get rupees 21,546. So when we take the sum of this here, that comes to rupees 43,092 here. So 43,092. Then the final price equals to, so the sum of this will be 2,82,492 here. So this is how we need to compute. Thank you. This is an example of determination of transactional value and GST payable. The question is very simple here. Determine, let me stretch this one here. Determine the transactional value and calculate GST payable from the following information: selling price of a product exclusive of GST is rupees 38,000. Discount allowed before delivery of goods rupees 20, it is 2,000. GST payable, GST rate applicable to above product is 18%. So from these details now we are required to find out. So here the discount allowed is to be then there is one more here. Freight paid for supply of product is rupees 500. So here we should add the freight which can be included in the transaction value, and we should deduct the discount here. So the solution will be now, determination of transactional value of product. So now let me insert 3 columns here. So particulars, rupees, then rupees. So now selling price of product which is given as exclusive of GST. Suppose if the GST is already included here, so we should deduct the amount of the GST. Then to this we should add inclusions. So here we should add freight paid, that is rupees 500. So here it is 500. So the sum of this will be 38,500. So from this we should deduct here. So here we should deduct now less exclusion. So let me take to the next column only. Exclusion, here we have got discount. So the amount of the discount which is given the problem as 2,000 here. So when we subtract this 2,000, so we'll get the transactional value or accessible value that comes to 36,500. 36,500. So we have got now transaction value 36,500. So next, let's write down here calculation of GST payable. So here the rate of GST is given as 8%. So CGST, which is payable at 9% of rupees 36,500, which equals to rupees 3,285. Similarly, SGST 9% of rupees, the same amount 36,500, which equals to rupees 3,285. So the total GST payable equals to rupees, here it is 3,285 plus 3,285, that comes to rupees 6,570. So these are all the very simple problems here. So the rate of GST, this will remain the same here. This is the total GST payable will be 6,570. So this is how we need to determine the transaction value. So transaction value can be asked as accessible value also. Thank you. It's an example of determination of transactional value and GST payable. The question is, Hyundai Car Limited, let me stretch here, sells cars to Khan Automobiles at rupees 12 lakhs each. Hyundai Car Limited incurred packing charges of rupees 50,000 and transportation charges of rupees 30,000. Hyundai Car Limited provided a discount of 3% on car price as a part of Dasara festival. Hyundai Cars Limited agrees to provide for further discount of 1% if Khan Automobiles makes payment within 31st of the month. However, Khan Automobiles makes payment after 31st of the month. Find out transactional value and GST payable. So now let's understand this question here. So the car price here is rupees 12 lakhs and Hyundai Car Limited incurred packing charges of rupees 50,000 and transportation charges of rupees 30,000, which can be included in the transactional value. And it provides a 3% discount on the car price as a part of Dasra festival, which can be excluded from the transactional value here. Hyundai Car Limited agrees to provide further discount of 1% if Khan Automobile makes payment within 31st of the month. This is after discount here. But Khan Automobiles have failed to make the payment within 31st of this month, so that's why they are not eligible to avail the discount of 1% here. So it cannot be excluded here. So now let's find out here. Determination of transactional value. So let me insert three columns here. So particulars, rupees. So selling price of car 12 lakhs. To this we should add inclusions. So here it is packing charges. Packing charges rupees 50,000. Then we should add the transportation charges. Transportation charges, which is given as 30,000. So the sum of this will be 80,000. We should be added here. So 80,000. So the sum of this will be 12,80,000. Then here we should subtract here less exclusions, discount. So this discount is which is given as a 3%. So 3% of rupees 12 lakhs. So which comes to rupees 36,000. So this shall be subtracted here. $36,000. So the difference here is the transactional value that is given as that will be now here it is 12,44,000. Then calculation of GST payable. So here CGST, the rate of GST which is given as 28%. So CGST 14% of rupees 12,44,000, which equals to rupees 1,74,160. Then SGST at 14% of rupees 12,44,000, which equals to rupees 1,74,160. So total GST payable, equals to rupees 3,48,320. So now let's take a note here. Note: discount of 1% is not deductible as the buyer has failed to make payment within a specified date. So this is the answer here. So let me make this board here. Then the total GST payable here. So this is a very simple question here. Thank you for watching this.